how to assign a Discord bot to a certain Discord channel. So if you want more videos like this, click the subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are more uploads in this channel. So a very easy tutorial for today. So I have here my channel or Discord server. Click on the top left button and go to server settings. Under server settings, we should going to be going to in the integration channel or tab, and you can see here my bots. So click on a bot and go to the manage button, and as you can see here, it is allowed on all channels. So we can add channels here, and we are going to add it on the channels that we want, or we have the music channels here for my server. So these are my music channels, and after that just click on add. So just to enable it in these certain channels, just click on the X mark. So this will disable it for all channels, and click on save changes. So that's much it, and I hope this helps you. So please like and comment on this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Goodbye.